This HYAKO massager is amazing. It has a lot of different functionalities and purposes that you can use it for. First, it has a top, which is called a therapy cap, and then a therapy plate on the side. Those are both great for warming up and starting to loosen up muscle groups before you start getting into a little bit more of a deeper massage. And then it does have this bullet head, which is great for pinpointing smaller areas. And then it also does have this flat metal head as well. And then it has a flat silicone head for a little bit of a softer touch. And then if you are interested, it does have a couple of foam heads that can attach onto this bullet head so that you can use those as well, making it a little bit of a softer touch. This is really simple to use and easy to charge as well. It just comes with a USB-C charger, so plug that in when it runs out of battery. And then to use it, you just hold down the button, and then it does have 5 speeds. So just hold it down, it gets going, that whole top kind of vibrates. You can kind of feel it vibrating in your arm as you're using it. And then you can just tap this button to increase the speeds. You can hear it starting to whir a little bit more. And then at the end, it will just be powered off. Push it to start it up again. And then hold it down to turn it off. So overall, I think that this is a very high quality product. It feels great on certain massage areas, and then the instructions are very clear on when to use and not use this product and how it can help. Overall, I have been very happy with this and I would highly recommend it. Lastly, I would just like to thank the seller for sending this to me for free in exchange for an honest review.